What is up? We are here today in the beautiful Braille house. We got a dense squad, and today we have a You Make It, We Skate It. Woo!
Hey, you almost fell.
I know I did.
Thank you, JD. Looks good, looks sturdy. What do we think it is, fam? Set up, complete board.
How are your skate legs, right?
My skate legs.
Your snowboarding?
My snow legs, my vert legs, my pogo legs, my unicycle legs, my free skate legs. No, my street skating legs. They're good, Gabe, thank you. Should we just crack it? Over the beam? What do you think, Gabe? Over the beam?
The momentum will run out, right?
All right, ready? Stall. Oh!
Oh. You guys should be scared.
I am scared.
Oh, God. Ow.
Oh!
Would you look at that?
Would you look
at that?
Yeah.
I got allergies. You heard me? I got allergies.
Coffee table, right?
This is,
Is it
a miniature barn door.
Oh, dang.
Check it out, big eyes.
That's actually really nice.
Oh, it smells so good.
It's like nice finish, nice stain.
Ooh, wow.
Love
Smells good.
Oh, yeah.
Rick, you got to drop in on this?
Yeah, on the vert.
Yeah. Hey, I feel like this is going to open a lot of doors for us.
Oh my goodness.
Are we born in a barn or what?
Hey, I wasn't barn yesterday. Chris, you're looking really unhinged today.
Dang, you just got him like boom, 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 boom.
Hey, I got a handle on this.
Dang, you really do.
I don't even know what to say to you right now.
Oh my gosh, this is a peephole. So you can see who's knocking at the door. All right, let's set it up, fellas. Come on.
All right, Colin, we really appreciate you sending us in this You Make It, We Skate It. If any of you have any boards that you would like to make us and see featured here on the Braille Skateboarding YouTube channel, go ahead and shoot us an email to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Aussie Dan will check out your email. He'll see what you want to send us. Then we will approve it. You send it to us, and we'll put it in a video. Skateit@brailleskateboarding.com.
I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we're about to shred one of the woodest of woodest boards.
JD, I heard you were supposed to get a haircut yesterday. What happened?
Well, I forgot. Well, I forgot, and I didn't want to get my hair cut.
Grow it out.
Let's
Grow it out,
go.
JD.
Life of JD right there. Shout out JD.
Hey, I went snowboarding, pink snowboard, helmet on, hair sticking out. Everyone's like, oh, who's that girl bailing, shredding? It was fun.
JD, what is up with you and the boxes? Oh.
Oh, he loves the cardboard box, huh?
Did you get a pump on the vert glove?
Yeah.
Every day I come into this Braille house, go over there, punch in real quick, and I have to drop in. It's a must.
Looking real good. Why is that?
It's still scary, like AK said.
Yeah.
What's in the barn, Glow? Animals?
What?
What are you keeping in a barn?
Horses,
Yeah, the stable. Cows?
chickens.
Rats?
Hey.
Hey.
What does the horse say? Hey.
The stamp of
I'm
approval.
eventually gonna do that on my board one day. You heard me? Hell yeah, JD. Way to bless my board.
All right, I will take one for the team. I will put my life on the line to inspire my brothers. I will be taking this barn door where no barn door has ever been before. Chris, I am the hero the world doesn't need and also does not deserve.
I'm sorry, everyone.
Shut the door on a drop in. Oh! Woo!
Almost took down the vert ramp.
Careful. What happened there? A little bit too far leaning back. Look at that wheelbase.
I think this thing is kick flippable.
All right.
Hey, especially you, Lightfoot.
Lightfoot, I'll go last.
All right, JD, if you want to do anything on this thing, do it now because this thing is going to break.
It's actually lighter than I expected. Oh, this one might be easier.
Oh, that was easy.
See, look, you went with the big kick. He's like, I don't like that big kick. I want this smaller kick. Oh, here we go.
This way.
Oh!
Oh, no brakes. Don't brake.
Get it!
He said, I don't need no grip tape.
And then bam, just does it.
You!
Yeah,
Should we
Daddy.
take it to the big boy?
I captured that whole moment.
He's gonna take it to the big boy.
Careful of the wheel bite, please.
Yeah, I've seen JD bail the most unbailable bails.
Be safe, brother.
I reckon since you can drop in on a clipboard, you can drop in on this barn.
That was a crazy 5-0. I can't do that on a normal skateboard.
I would say, yeah, JD.
Backside barn slash.
So this, I guess, is the first test if I could drop in on the other weird board later.
Well, how do you feel with it, JD? Safe?
I feel like it's impossible to bail on.
Impossible to bail on. I mean, that sounds like you got some confidence.
I beg to differ.
Yeah. Hashtag gig.
Backside barnless. This thing feels so light though.
Look. That's AK Special Sticker Fly.
I think this is good. I believe in you, JD.
Wow, this feels way more different.
Careful, JD.
You jumped too far down.
I'm good.
Woohoo, he was flying down there.
I'm trying to learn that. Thanks for the motivation, JD. Doing it on a wood board.
Thank you for the motivation to never try that trick in my entire life.
What now, JD? Yeah! That was so sick.
Bo, you're up.
I'm up.
Hit the rail. Please board slide the whole rail. Yeah,
I don't know what I got on this. I'm gonna keep it real.
board slide. Yeah! Yeah, heck yeah! You got that 100%.
Let's go. Yeah, Glow.
Did anyone hear a crack right there?
I thought I heard it.
Damn!
I got one more.
It's cracked? Oh. Damage report.
That's all right.
Oh no!
I put a pressure crack in it. It's all good. Our boards are used to pressure cracks, right, Rick?
Yeah.
Can't believe I did a front board on a front
Oh my
board
gosh,
shot.
I thought that was a dog.
Wait, I didn't get what Glow just said, but he literally said, all I know is that I just did a front board shove on a wood.
I think we should take this to the mini ramp.
It's a mini barn door, so you take it to the mini ramp and you open up mini doors. This board was made for JD, who is also mini. And, and I guess Chris McNugget too. He's also pretty small sized.
Yeah, hit that blunt, Robbie.
Barn to fakey.
Oh, something happened. I don't know what. Oh!
It got delaminated. Well, I would say a barn joke, but I don't have any. But that was pretty fun.
That was funnier than any barn joke you could have
I
said.
want to see if I can Casper it.
Hit a board slide on the down rail.
On this one? Let me actually get accustomed to this. Let's try this side. Yeah, I don't know about that. Well, nothing really happened there. I feel like that's gonna snap off though.
You're about to break every toe in your foot.
Hopefully not. I need them. Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's try this side. Oh! Oh yeah, look at that. Sorry guys.
It's fixed.
Fix it? Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's kind of hard. There's not enough tail. Look, it's starting to split all the way across, dude.
Oh Dude, it broke all the way across though.
Oh, we good for one more set.
Yeah, you got it, Rick.
All right. Board side the down handrail.
We gotta be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Safe, Ricky. Oh, we are looking sturdy. Sturdy as an old barn. Ooh, wheel bite. Oh, yeah. All right, what do we want? Firecracker, ollie, or board side handrail?
All of the above.
All right. Well,
Knock one off the list until it
all
breaks.
right, firecracker is the safest. Then maybe ollie, then board side.
Does it feel stable, Ricky?
Feels like a horse is stable.
Yeah, you got it.
Look at this. It's kind of sharp.
Totally possible.
Yeah, we got it. I was trying to decide, what do I want firecracker on, the big tail or the small tail?
Big tail.
Yeah, I elected big tail.
Why do people tell you to hold your horses? Because they need you to be stable.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right, maybe it's board side time.
Damn, brother.
Damn, brother. I mean, but that's how barns look, you know? That's very true to what a barn looks like.
Wait, hold up. There's got to be a solution to this issue.
Yeah, board side the handrail.
Rick, are you sure, brother?
I think I've only got one pop left.
So you got to make it count?
It's landing. Look at that. It's not made of glass, it's made of wood.
I think no matter what happens, it's going to break. I hope you roll away, though.
Oh, we got it. We got it right here.
I think you got a couple more tries on it still. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah.
Be careful, brother. I don't want you to get hit with a screw or anything.
Look at these discs or whatever in them. Would you
Wow,
just look at
that.
it? Just look
wow,
at it.
this is a custom.
Would you look at that?
They put some soft wood in the middle. He's golden. He got
sick.
one more try.
Yeah. What do you think, Gabe? One more? My parents don't like this on the board. Or that.
Front lip challenge?
Dude, I reckon I got it maybe.
Really? I mean, if you want to try, it's on you.
Yeah. Alright, we good. Alright, Gabe. We got a little bit of damage report. It's all good. No stitches today. We're feeling good.
Is that the nail?
Nah, I kind of went like this because it's kind of long. All right, I guess we just gotta land it right here. But do you see what happened? I couldn't go straight. Can we? Let's get rid of this.
Almost took it where the sun don't shine.
All right, I'm feeling good. I think we got it right here.
Wow, brother.
All right, right here, Gabe. We're getting streamlined right now. Oh, I like this a lot. Get a quick kicky. I'm gonna land both. All right, practice steps, Gabe. Where do I flip? We're still good. Manual. Still good. We're still good. Drop into manual. Good old running mode. Yeah. Dude, you almost jousted off. All right, easy for you. Whoa!
You know, it kind of resembles Dr. Evil shit from Austin Powers. If you know, you know.
I made the whole distance, Gabe. That might be the end right there. What do you think, David?
Definitely over. Maybe not.
Let's put it in the backpack, Rick.
Yeah, are you ready?
Oh, no.
You want it? Rick?
Might be.
No.
Give your backpack?
No.
How are the horses gonna stay in the barn now? We broke the door. That was pretty fun, though. Fun one. That was very exciting, Gabe. Woo! All right, guys. Well, we love your You Make It, We Skate It. Make sure you hit us in the email, get yours approved, and we would love to see what you have to offer for us. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let us know what crazy things you want to see us do next. Want you to learn how to skateboard? We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. I like skate.